Are you on the search for some healthy sweet treats to indulge in this Christmas season? It's no secret that maintaining a balanced diet during the holidays can be a bit of a challenge. But fret not, because we're about to dive into a world of festive flavors that don't skimp on the health factor. This video will introduce a delightful array of Christmas goodies that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutritious ingredients. Stay tuned to discover some delightful yet wholesome Christmas treat ideas. For the first part of our list, let's dive into some fruity delights. First up, imagine a festive fruit salad brimming with vibrant, juicy berries, crisp apples, and tangy citrus fruits. Now, add a refreshing hint of mint. This isn't just your average fruit salad. It's a celebration of colors, flavors, and textures, all dancing together in one bowl. This treat is high in fiber, naturally sweet, and bursting with essential vitamins. Next, envision warm baked apples fresh from the oven, their natural sweetness intensified, topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This simple yet comforting treat is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants from the cinnamon. These treats are more than just delightful indulgences. They're a testament to the fact that you can enjoy the festive season without compromising on health. Not only are these treats flavorful, but they also pack a healthy punch. Moving on to the next part of our list, we have some deliciously healthy baked goods. First up, let's talk about whole grain gingerbread cookies. These are not your average gingerbread cookies. They're made with whole grain flour, which is packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Plus, they're sweetened with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, cutting down on refined sugar. Now let's delve into almond flour Christmas cupcakes. Almond flour is a fantastic ingredient because it's low in carbs, high in protein, and provides a good dose of healthy fats. And the best part? These cupcakes taste just as festive and delightful as their traditional counterparts. You can add a dash of natural sweeteners and spices, like cinnamon and nutmeg, to enhance the Christmassy flavors. So why not try these healthier versions of your favorite Christmas treats? These treats are a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. So there you have it, 4 healthy sweet treat ideas for the Christmas season. We've explored the delights of nutrient-packed goodies, from festive fruit salads to protein-rich cookies, and even chocolatey delights with a wholesome twist. These treats not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also contribute to your overall health this holiday season. It's crucial to remember that the festive period can be both joyous and nutritious. Remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean you can't enjoy delicious festive treats. Have a happy, healthy Christmas.